Hello everyone. Indian hospitals are heavily investing in AI systems because they understand data alone is no longer enough. They need intelligence on the top of that. Data to manage huge patient volume, regulatory pressure, and complex decision making process. Here's an interesting 2025 report from CII-EY, which states that major hospital chains in India are increasing their IT and digital transformation spending by 20 to 25% for the next 2 to 3 years, and within that, to 50% investment go directly into building AI infrastructure, automate tasks, and drive data-driven decision-making process. At the same time, national initiatives like Ayushman Bharat, digital mission, and big private hospital chains such as Apollo Hospitals, Aster DM Healthcare, Tata Memorial Center, Narayana Health, Max Healthcare, and Medanta are actively integrating AI and automation into clinical and operational workflows. Hospitals are not getting full value from AI yet, and the reason lies in three very real hurdles. First, there is a limited availability of electronic medical records. Many hospitals still do not have complete high quality digital patient records. Without reliable data, AI systems cannot work effectively. Second, lack of standardized data formats. Patient information is scattered, it is inconsistent and documented differently across departments and hospitals, making AI implementation slows the complex. Third, slow workforce IT upskilling. Hospitals themselves admit that the biggest bottleneck is not technology, it's people who are uncomfortable with digital tools and hesitant to adopt new systems. And this is where life science students come into the picture. And I will give three actionable steps for you to become industry ready. Take a bird's eye view of the entire system. So today, when we are looking at in hospitals, they are not looking out for an expert. They are looking out for somebody who is very strong and good at understanding of the overall picture. You must understand how hospital workflows, documentation, and dependencies connect. Because hospitals require people who understand how data flows from patient to doctor to system to report and to final decision making. Second, build digital confidence early, not after getting a job. Hospitals are clear about that. Biggest bottleneck is not AI, not infrastructure, not the budgets. It's people who hesitate, resist, or freeze when faced with a digital system. You don't need to code, but if you cannot comfortably work with the tools hospitals already use, you will lag behind. At a minimum, you should be familiar with EMRs, electronic medical records, HIS, hospital information systems, clinical dashboards, clinical decision support systems, CDSS, and learning Excel like basic data and reporting tools would be apt in this case. You don't need to master all the tools, but you must be comfortable navigating screens, interpreting outputs, spotting inconsistencies, and understanding how data moves from patient entry to clinical decision report. Third, become AI literate. This means knowing how to work with AI systems and their outputs, not blindly trusting them and not rejecting them out of fear. You should be able to review AI generated results, question mismatches, understand where AI can fail, and explain AI assisted decisions in simple clinical and compliance terms. And this is the gap we consistently see when students come to us: strong academic knowledge, but a very little exposure to how AI and digital systems operate inside healthcare. That's exactly why we offer our PG diploma in AI and ML in healthcare. It's a 12 months program with IBM certifications, taught by industry experts with dedicated placement assistance. Along with the technical foundation, you work on real world healthcare AI case studies and understand implementing challenges and learn how AI reshapes real hospital workflows. If you are serious about building a future ready career in healthcare, this is the direction you need to start preparing for. If you find this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more industry relevant insights. Thank you for watching.
Visit us today www.clinilaunchresearch.in.